In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, staying ahead of the curve is paramount. Artificial intelligence, once a futuristic concept, is now a transformative force revolutionizing industries worldwide. By integrating AI into your business strategies, you unlock a world of opportunities to streamline operations, enhance efficiency, and gain a competitive edge. Gone are the days of relying solely on intuition and traditional methods. AI empowers businesses with data-driven insights, enabling informed decision-making and strategic planning. Imagine having the ability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns and trends that would otherwise remain hidden. This is the power of AI at your fingertips. Moreover, AI is not just about crunching numbers, it's about working smarter, not harder. By automating repetitive tasks, AI frees up valuable time for your team to focus on creative problem-solving, strategic initiatives, and fostering meaningful customer relationships. The benefits of integrating AI into your business strategy are far-reaching and impactful. One of the most significant advantages is the ability to gain a deeper understanding of your customers. AI-powered analytics tools can sift through massive data sets, identifying patterns in customer behavior, preferences, and purchasing habits. Imagine being able to anticipate your customers' needs before they even articulate them. With AI, this becomes a reality. By leveraging AI-driven insights, you can tailor your products and services to meet specific customer demands, resulting in increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Furthermore, AI empowers businesses to optimize their operations for maximum efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks, such as data entry, invoice processing, and scheduling, AI frees up your team to focus on more strategic and creative endeavors. This not only boosts productivity, but also reduces the likelihood of human error, resulting in cost savings and improved accuracy. The good news is that you don't need to be a tech giant to harness the power of AI. A plethora of user-friendly AI tools are readily available, designed to empower businesses of all sizes. One such tool is ChatGPT, a powerful language model that can assist with content creation, customer support, and more. Imagine being able to generate high-quality marketing copy, engaging social media posts, and informative blog articles in a matter of minutes. ChatGPT can do just that, freeing up your team to focus on strategy and creativity. Additionally, ChatGPT can act as a virtual assistant, providing instant responses to customer queries, resolving issues, and ensuring a seamless customer experience. Another indispensable AI tool is Canva, a graphic design platform that leverages AI to simplify the design process for everyone. Even without prior design experience, you can create stunning visuals for social media, presentations, marketing materials, and more. Canva's AI-powered features offer design suggestions, automate resizing, and provide access to a vast library of templates and images. As with any transformative technology, the rise of AI in business has sparked conversations about its potential impact on the workforce. While it's true that AI will automate certain tasks, it's important to remember that AI is not here to replace humans. It's here to augment our capabilities. By taking over repetitive and mundane tasks, AI frees us to focus on what we do best: creative problem-solving, critical thinking, and building meaningful relationships. In this sense, AI is not a job killer, but a job creator, opening up new opportunities and career paths in fields such as AI development, data science, and AI ethics. Looking ahead, the future of business is inextricably intertwined with AI. By embracing AI and harnessing its transformative power, businesses can unlock unprecedented opportunities for growth, efficiency, and innovation. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated tools and applications that will further empower businesses to thrive in the digital age.